lovely Havana. I've been here once before. It was a truly awful pleasure.
See someone you know?
No, just putting on a friendly face. I shouldn't want to be mistaken for a pirate again.
Right. Flash rogue like yourself must be cautious.
Yeah. Mad to think Spain and England were at war 2 years ago, isn't it? Here I am, bartering with Spaniards like they were my cousins. Nothing wrong, Duncan?
No, it's nothing. Sand in my hampers. So where's the best squad in town? I'm dying for a quick kip. Or a siesta, should I say.
I'm just headed to a public house now to meet some merchants. I could show you the way.
Well, lead on.
I hope you'll tarry a bit while I conduct my meeting. It'd be a great relief to have a man of your stature nearby in case of a misunderstanding.
I can hang about. I might have a drink.
Splendid. Drink.
But they don't take kindly to pirates here, do they? Wonder how many stolen reals bought these men this purge. Hola, ladies.
You don't know these women, do you?
No. They charge money for that kind of privilege. A few dozen reals for every hour of knowing. Keen to meet them.
No, goodness no, I'm a married man.
Married man of their forte, mate.
Aha! Here's a purveyor of personal defenses. I should acquire a blade for myself, Duncan, just as you have.
This rusty razor's nothing to admire.
Even so, I appear a mere kitten walking so close upon you. Perhaps a small dagger would suit me. Let's see what he's selling.
Maybe I'll buy a sword too. We'll both jump rank.
Oh, we'll be quite the pair, you and I. Twin devils.
Lend us a few reals, then. I did save your skin.
Of course.
Cheers. That's a better fit for me. How do you fare?
I had only enough for a small knife, sadly. Still, it'll do in a pinch. Oh, puffer duff. I've led us astray, Duncan.
Oh, no matter. I'll get us a better view. What are we looking for?
A tavern with a sort of courtyard interior. My goodness, you're an agile chap.
Every finger's a fishhook. That's how you tell a true sailor.
Yes, a fine way to put it.
I think I see the place. We're not far.
No te resistas, Gordinflón! Para! Para!
Hang tight!
Oh, he's got me blind! Go, what do I do? Oh, I can't breathe. I think my
Stop or I'll break your knees when I catch you. I'm close at heel, shitbird! Here I come! Don't make me chase you into the harbor!
La producción del maestro Thomas envía a varios agentes.
Para reuniones, botaduras de barcos.
Canis Christus voluit ambulare in me. ¿Qué está haciendo?
Perdido el juicio.
Loco como un...
No puede.
Estaba allí el... Soy una pequeña
Esturión recién pescado y de oferta.
Pero no lo es, ¿verdad?
niño tonto. Por eso te
La producción del maestro Thomas envía a varios...
también me afecta.
Esturión recién pescado. Señor, domine su naturaleza.
You robbed the wrong man, mate. A fellow with dangerous friends.
Tengo una carga de granito parada en el puerto esperando que la descargue.
Duncan! By Jove, you're alive!
Of course I am. That filch was no fuss.
Oh, yes.
Con esta inversión
Ah!
podremos...
We've arrived.
Take your time. I'll be just here.
Fancy meeting a Welshman deep in Dago country. I'm English myself. Biding my time till the next war calls me to service.
Lucky King George, having a piss pot like you flying his flag.
Oi! Skulk! I've seen your face before. You's mates with them pirates down in Nassau.
Shut your fucking gob or I'll fill it with shot, you hear me?
Edward, is it?
You bastard! Yeah, I warned him. You want a dust-up? I'll give you one. Come on, lads. I've seen bigger arms on a bird.
You're not leaving me?
I'll catch you up!
Perro inglés!
¡Listo para disparar! ¡El cañonazo! Podría darle ¡Venga! ¡No bajéis tranquilo! ¡Enemigo a tiro! ¡Lo tengo justo en la mira! ¡Claro! ¡Se está yendo! ¡Blanco claro! ¡Es mío! ¡No escapará! ¡Tengo línea de tiro! ¡Está por allí! ¡Rápido! ¡Está escapando! ¡Lo tengo justo en la mira! ¡No lo perdáis! ¡Disparar!
Aquí no se pasa. ¡Seguid tras él!
¡No pertenecemos a esa raza! ¡No tienes escapatoria!
Maldigo el día en que alguien inventó esa receta.
Yo maldigo el día en que Valdez llegó a nuestra cocina.
partido el seso.
Una de pero por platos.
Sorry about the swift exit. Bit of a misunderstanding.
One heaped upon another.
Oh, Jesus. I'm sorry, mate. This is my doing. I'm only trying to keep these Spanish eyes off me.
Oh, it's no bother. Regrettably, the soldiers confiscated my sugar when your dispatches.
Damn! And where've they gone?
Haven't the foggiest idea, I'm afraid. I suspect those chaps might, but my Spanish is wee mal dad, so I'd rather not ask.
Shit! All right, come on, let's follow them and recover my maps.
And my sugar?
What, in my drawers? We'll see what happens.
You don't mind me tagging along, do you?
Not if you keep quiet and stay out of sight.
Soy mucho más limpia que esas rameras inglesas, te lo aseguro.
Bonnet!
I believe I'm getting the hang of this.
Quiet!
I fear they're onto us.
Hang back.
Camelos, Epistylia, Bernard. Ducit sapiunt vobis ut vestris scrotum. Temparum digitis fecit ars. Quod fructices ardiam cardus and sabavi.
Et executium. Buenos dias, senores. You're late.
Yes, sir. See, we're very sorry. Our captain delayed us.
Exceptionem tam turpis pompas, et in ritaverunt percussit dixit canes cum latrina tita. Sed retro...
This will be Captain Mendoza? Yes, sir. He's very excited to meet you. Only he must be present for a hanging, senor.
Hanging?
Ah, I love a good hanging. Yes, sir. Very nice. If we hear the bell, we may go. If you like.
I'd love to. Especially if Captain Mendoza's pulling the trap. Man owes me money for the slaves I sold him.
Of course, sir. Captain Mendoza is happy to pay you. We have goods to sell, sugars and such.
Excellent.
Well, senor, the hanging will be started soon. Yes, sir. We go.
¿Llevas mucho con esta compañía? Desde el año pasado que salí de la local.
¿Ves eso?
Si no me equivoco. Juan y Roberto asistirán, así que estará toda la familia, si tú también puedes ir.
¿Algo de prudencia?
This way. This way.
Cuidado.
take, man. Throw me down.
Quick as anything, sir. Captain Mendoza needs only to hang the man, then he will deliver your payment.
I don't want reales, mind. I want goods. Things I can sell. Tobacco, rum, sugar.
See. We have much fine sugar. Grapes we took off a fat Englishman last night.
Englishman?
See, sugar from Barbados. Very fine. We hold it in the castillo after the man started the fight last night. He ran, left his sugar behind. Very fine.
Well, that's a start. Shall I accompany him to the Castillo?
No, sir. Captain Mendoza will have it sent to you, I believe. You will see.
Good Lord. Is that big brute your Captain Mendoza?
No, sir. He is El Tiburón. El Tiburón, Governor Torres' man.
¿En serio?
Pareces tenso. Deja que te ayude a relajarte.
Let them have it.
No olvides cuidar de tu primer
La mejor
ojo,
marinero.
marinero.
Hace mucho calor. Pero, ¿qué le vamos a...?
¡Puedo darle!
Sorry about the sugar. I've only one pair of hands.
Oh, it's no great loss. I've got plenty of cargo here to make a profit on my trip.
Will you stay here long?
For a few weeks, yes. Then back to Barbados, to the tedium of domesticity.
Don't settle for tedium. Sail for Nassau. Live life as you see fit.
Haven't I heard that Nassau is crawling with pirates? Seems a very tawdry place.
Not tawdry, liberated.
Oh, God. That would be an adventure. But no, I'm a husband and a father. I have responsibilities. Life can't be all pleasure and distraction, Duncan.
Hey, our bonnet. The name's Edward, in truth. Duncan's only a handle.
Ah. Secret name for your secret meeting with the governor.
The governor, right. I think I've kept him waiting long enough.
That's straight Captain Kenway. Shit! caballo!
Alguien sale herido.
¿Alguna ciudad con más desgraciados que esta?
Una compañía.
¿En serio?